Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to fix waiting for this message in WhatsApp. So in the case that you are experiencing some problems with your WhatsApp is waiting for a specific message. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So in the case that you are trying to send a specific message on your WhatsApp application, then it shows that it is waiting for this message, and it may take a while. But what we can do in order for us to solve this issue is, the first step is to be basically patient. So we could always go ahead and just wait it out. So until the message is gonna be sent, or it is gonna be loaded. One more thing we could also do, once we have an impatient enough to not wait already for the message to be sent or to message to be loaded, we could actually go ahead and terminate the application from running like that, and launch the application again, and try it again if it is actually now sent. More thing that we could also do is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we are actually experiencing some issues with our Wi-Fi, which is why we are experiencing this problem. In that case, we could also go in and try our cell data instead of our Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. The last thing we could actually do to solve this issue is to go ahead and launch the app stores. And I want you to go ahead and search for the WhatsApp application and see if you have an update available for this application. Now, doing so will actually give you the best user experience possible and will fix, as well, simple bugs like this. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.